The Master Massage Home Use Kit is a unique and innovative tool that allows you to create a professional massage therapy surface on your own home mattress. Despite being lightweight at only 4.8 pounds, this kit is made from a durable aircraft aluminum frame and it is fully adjustable for maximum comfort. The kit is compact, easy to transport and store, and it comes with a sleek black nylon bag, making it a perfect companion for mobile massage therapists, tattoo artists, or beauticians. With its 14 inches height, express adjustment, and 360-degree angle adjustment, you can effortlessly find your perfect position and enjoy a therapeutic massage without leaving your home. The Master Massage Home Use Kit is incredibly versatile, suitable for a variety of uses such as body massage, Thai massage, physical therapy treatment, beauty treatments, and eyelash treatments. The kit includes an aluminum adjustable main cradle, a 6-way adjustable aluminum face cushion cradle, a memory foam crescent face cushion, and a black nylon bag for convenient transportation and storage.